Having the right VR headset can completely change your VR experience. That's why in this video, I'm going to break down the top 5 best VR headsets. That way you'll never have to suffer through any unresponsive gameplay and laggy performance ever again. Now, the issue is that a VR headset, it might work great for one person, but it might not be the best for you, and that's just because most VR headsets are not made with the same people in mind. So that's why I made sure to include options for all types of situations. Regardless of what you're looking for, I'll have the perfect VR headset for you. And please keep in mind that all of the links to find the best prices on all of the headsets that we're going to be talking about in this video are in the description below. The headsets mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned until the end so you don't miss anything. First, I have the MetaQuest 3. This is my choice for the best VR headset for beginners. The MetaQuest 3 is a fantastic VR headset that's great for beginners thanks to its comfortable fit, 90Hz refresh rate, responsive controllers, and an untethered VR experience. The MetaQuest 3 has a premium feel with its comfortable fit and adjustable straps. Now, this ensures that you can embark on an epic virtual adventure without any discomfort. And the Quest 3's all-in-one design means that you don't have to deal with pesky cables or even the external sensors. Now, the Quest 3 delivers a stunning visual experience. It comes with a 4K plus infinite display and smooth 90Hz refresh rate. The improved processing power ensures effortless gameplay and immersive graphics that transport you into new worlds. The controllers are intuitive and responsive, and that makes interactions in the virtual space feel really natural and actually immersive. Plus, it provides an untethered VR experience. So you have no need for external sensors or a PC connection, and that just means that the Quest 3 allows you to move freely in your play space, which provides a fantastic VR experience that's perfect for those who are just starting out their VR journey. The MetaQuest 3 combines responsive controllers, an untethered VR experience, 4K plus infinite display, 90Hz refresh rate, and a comfortable fit. The Quest 3 is a great option for those who are looking for a powerful and user-friendly VR headset to start off their VR gaming experience. Next up, I have Valve Index. This is my choice for the best VR headset for most people. The Valve Index stands out as a fantastic VR headset. It has 1440 by 1600 resolution per eye, 120Hz refresh rate, secure fit, precise tracking system, and finger tracking capabilities. The Valve Index has an impressive 1440 by 1600 resolution per eye. These things really deliver crystal clear clarity and vibrant colors. The Valve Index has an ultra smooth 120Hz refresh rate, providing that fast and responsive gameplay that's so hard to find. Plus, it has the ability to be upgraded to a 144Hz refresh rate, further allowing you to dive headfirst into your VR world without worrying about motion sickness. The Valve Index also comes with an adjustable head strap, ensuring a comfortable and secure fit for various head sizes. The off-ear speakers provide high-quality audio without compromising on comfort. Plus, its overall weight distribution is well balanced. This allows for longer gaming sessions without strain. The Valve Index boasts an impressive precise tracking system. The external base stations track your movements in a 10 by 10 feet play space with incredible accuracy, making interactions in the virtual world feel natural and responsive. And the Index controllers, along with finger tracking capabilities, help to further add a level of realism and immersion to your virtual interactions. The Valve Index stands out with its precise tracking system, Index controllers, comfortable design, 120Hz refresh rate, and 1440 by 1600 resolution per eye. So if you're wanting a high-quality VR headset that not only delivers an immersive experience, but has a reasonable price, the Valve Index might just be the best pick for you. Next, I have the HTC Vive XR Elite. The HTC Vive XR Elite is a cutting-edge VR headset offering immersive virtual experiences, high-resolution displays, a precise tracking technology, making it an ideal choice for enthusiasts seeking unparalleled immersion and realism in their virtual worlds. Now, the Vive XR Elite features this sleek and ergonomic design. It even has adjustable straps and cushioned padding, ensuring a comfortable fit, which is perfect during extended gaming sessions. Plus, it has a hot swappable battery cradle that not only helps to balance comfortability, but also enhances portability. With its 3840 by 1920 combined resolution and 110-degree field of view, the XR Elite easily helps to transport you into virtual environments and make them feel incredibly lifelike. And with a 90Hz refresh rate, the XR Elite ensures that you are getting a responsive gameplay and VR experience. Not to mention, you can personally adjust the diopter dials for nearsightedness and stepless IPD adjustments to make sure that the XR Elite is really giving you the best experience that's tailored to you. The XR Elite has intuitive interactions thanks to its skeletal level hand tracking controllers, which makes sure that your inputs are accurately reproduced. And with its built-in powerful speakers, the XR Elite delivers your gameplay's crisp audio straight into the headset so that you are further immersed into the virtual world. The HTC Vive XR Elite features skeletal level hand tracking controllers, built-in speakers, adjustable diopter dials, 90Hz refresh rate, and a comfortable design for long-lasting gaming. The XR Elite is a great fit for those who are wanting a well-rounded VR headset that can easily transport them into their virtual experience. And again, if you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video today, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these VR headsets almost daily with sales and other general price drops. So if you do want to find the most updated information, go ahead, check out the description. And if you find this video helpful at all, please help out the channel by giving it a like and also subscribing. Next, I have the Meta Quest 2. This is my choice for the best VR headset for the money. The Meta Quest 2 is an amazing and affordable VR headset that stands out with its LCD display, 90Hz refresh rate, adjustable design, untethered VR experience, and an expansive library of VR games. Now, the Meta Quest 2 has a crisp and vibrant LCD display with a high resolution that delivers an immersive visual experience and transports you to new dimensions. And with a 90Hz refresh rate, the Quest 2 ensures smooth gameplay to help minimize motion sickness. The Quest 2 also allows you to really immerse yourself in long gaming sessions. It doesn't come with fatigue thanks to the lightweight design and adjustable head straps. And with its redesigned controllers, it also offers intuitive interaction for a comfortable and seamless VR experience. Now, just like with the Quest 3, the Quest 2 provides an untethered VR experience that has no need for external sensors or even a PC connection. The freedom to move without worrying about tangled wires really adds a level of convenience and safety for those worried about tripping during their VR sessions. Also, the Quest 2 comes with an expansive library of games and experiences that's available on the MetaQuest platform. From action-packed adventures to immersive simulations, the Quest 2's library ensures that there's something for every gamer to enjoy. The MetaQuest 2 offers an expansive VR gaming library, untethered VR experience, lightweight design, redesigned controllers, and a vibrant LCD display. And if you're looking for a VR headset that blends both great performance and affordability, the Quest 2 might just be the right option for you. Next up, I have the Apple Vision Pro. Now, this one is my choice for the best overall VR headset. The Apple Vision Pro sets a brand new standard for VR headset. Its light seal design, solo knit band, custom micro-OLED display, 3-element lens, visionOS, and immersive built-in speakers. The Vision Pro boasts a light seal design that magically attaches to the front and gently conforms to your face to ensure that any annoying light stays out of your VR experience. With the solo knit band, which is 3D knitted, the Vision Pro helps to create a unique structure that provides stretch, cushioning, and breathability so that you don't experience any discomfort while using it. The Vision Pro also has a custom micro-OLED display system that features 23 million pixels to help deliver a stunning resolution and vibrant colors for your VR experience. And with a 3-element lens, the Vision Pro completely immerses you in the virtual world, which really makes you feel like you're surrounded by it at all times. And with the visionOS, the Vision Pro brings out a powerful OS that's actually based on Apple's macOS, iOS, and iPadOS. You can easily control the Vision Pro with your eyes, hands, and voice, making it not only user-friendly, but incredibly advanced for VR headsets. And its external battery supports up to 2 hours of general use on a single charge, while its built-in speakers provide an immersive, spatial audio to keep you focused on your content. The Apple Vision Pro impressed with its visionOS, built-in speakers, micro-OLED display, 3-element lens, and a fully adjustable, comfortable design. The Vision Pro is a fantastic VR headset for those who are wanting a powerful VR experience that caters to connectivity, productivity, and immersive everyday tasks. And if you guys liked this video or learned something, please go ahead and give it a like, and be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all of the VR headsets mentioned in this video. That's all. Till next time.